from their luggage to contact their carrier. Recent air passenger protection regulations do cover claims for lost or stolen luggage contents up to about $2,000. But for Lisa Parsons, it was
They say
not about
always
the
take a picture.
money.
Which
She's
one?
upset
In
their
your
memories have been
luggage.
marred.
It's more about
After
the fact
packing?
that now it's
Yeah,
just
correct.
Take a picture.
we
Yeah.
all were
So
on
we
a
can-
high
In
note.
case of a
They're
loss,
sharing their
Yeah.
story. So
Also
Canadians,
damage also.
yeah,
Phil
then
Bouchard, CBC
you
News,
can say this is.
Toronto.
Yeah.
No, open
Injured
the.
veterans from around the
open
world
the
are in
bag.
Whistler
Yeah.
this week.
Take a
They
picture
are
of what is
participating in the
inside.
training
Oh,
camp
really?
for next year's Invictus
Because
Games.
they
It will be the
somehow take
organization's
it and
first
close.
winter competition.
I lost a
It's
brand new
young couple
camera
hit the
in
slopes to catch
back
up with
home.
members
My
of the
God.
Canadian team
Uh-huh.
In
who are representing their
19,
country in the middle of a
2008.
brutal war.
Phones are very expensive.
Yeah,
Blades
okay.
of Sir Heath
Company
Rocco's
company
skis
phone.
cut through the snow
I went
on
to
Whistler
company
Mountain.
business.
He's seated,
Oh, oh, oh.
I
controlling
got a
his
brand new
movements
one,
with a pole
put it in the
strapped
bag.
to
I
his
didn't
right
have time.
arm. A
Oh.
dog
I thought
is
I'd go to
tethered the
Malaysia
back of his
and
chair, helping to
read
create
it and get
perfect
used to that.
S-turns. Rocco speaks Ukrainian.
I cameras and all I usually carry, you know. Hand.
This is with the box. I just got it. The same day I got it.
Oh,
I should have kept it home.
so
And
it's a
Yeah.
feeling of freedom.
we were going flying business
Rocco is
class.
at training camp for the first ever winter
but
Invictus
you
Games.
can't even claim no,
Wounded
right?
servicemen and women from around the world will gather to compete in
Everybody
adaptive
was telling,
sports.
why did you take it?
Rocco
in the
was
luggage?
injured in 2015,
Oh, yeah, that's correct.
fighting against Russians in Donetsk. His left arm blew off in heavy shelling. His left leg was amputated above the hip joint in hospital.
So when I was wounded, through these moments, I started like say goodbye to my life, basically.
Sport has been key to his recovery, but when the full-scale invasion began in Ukraine 2 years ago, his focus changed.
From that moment, I realized that it's no longer be about my own
Road who
goals
is
and
paying
feelings.
for
He
snow
regularly
removal
visits
government?
newly wounded soldiers at hospitals and
Yeah.
rehabilitation centers in Kiev.
For me, responsibility it's about to be example for those who are
But main
only
road,
beginning to come back.
like main road,
This to restore the health.
this is not
To
like
be example
main
for
road.
For the
That road,
Ukrainian team,
who is paying the
participating in the Invictus
city?
Games is
Oh.
about sending a message to soldiers still fighting
Our
at home.
house inside our-
Taras Kavalik is the team manager. He was wounded too, shot in the leg.
And it's very important for the soldiers who is in active duty now to see
Every month or in that time?
that take care about
pay for everything.
their friends
Our
who was
house
wounded and
insurance.
now
Uh-huh.
fighting.
Oh, house insurance including everything 200. It's good, right?
Outside.
It takes a
Outside.
bit of
They
maneuvering,
recently they
but
came
soon
and
he's up
replaced
and
all
on
the
his way
roofs.
to another
Oh, oh,
run.
oh.
Free of charge.
Okay.
Being here in Canada is
You have
also a
some
chance to let
association
people from
president,
around the
something?
world know what's
They
happening
by
in
law, we are
Ukraine.
even
It's very
paying.
terrifying.
No. I mean, in
And the world
back
is,
home or something like apartment, there is a association president. It's there here.
It's a by law.
Once
By law.
again,
It's-
he's gliding
you must
down the
have
mountain
Oh.
in a
society.
feeling of freedom
See
or
the
chance. Lindsay Duncombe,
see
CBC
the-
News, Whistler.
Namrata is paying a couple of famous, right?
Oh,
For Wahid's house.
Okay.
Hussein's house.
okay.
Wherever the houses are,
Uh-huh.
the neighborhood, if it is not a freehold
Oh, okay.
on your own house,
Yeah,
always there is
membership.
good.
Yeah.
Like they take care of the garbage, they
Oh.
take care of the.
Uh-huh.
In our case, of course, garbage the city is coming.
Oh, okay.
But my very the
Uh-huh.
house,
Uh-huh.
that is, garbage is cleared by the local condominium.
Uh-huh.
His life and legacy are back in the spotlight. Yvette Brand explains.
I'm Jason Hoover. These are the epic.
When Jason Hoover headlined at Vancouver Hotspots 50 years ago, he was on a playbill with a little up-and-coming British band called Led Zeppelin. A year before that band eclipsed his fame.
Jason was a remarkable talent, but outside of Canada, hardly anyone has ever heard of him.
When David Jones, the owner of Vinyl Records in Vancouver, heard Hoover's music, he decided to make a
Isn't that our
documentary
increment
on his
when
life.
it starts affecting payroll, like our increment?
Yeah, next week.
This coming payroll, huh?
place for different persons.
Yeah, everything.
They are getting entitled, they are losing. They reach and then they don't get the balance of it. People get half of that.
Oh,
So everybody has a different rate.
okay.
So about 4 rates I have to update
Yeah.
for every single person. That's why it takes a lot of time.
November.
I
1
can't
month
make
before his
mistakes,
son
right?
got
Yeah, that's
attention
correct.
at the
Going to them,
CBC's
they
radio
say,
contest.
oh, I'm
His
not
son,
paid.
Brett Henderson,
You have time for all of this?
Huh?
You have time
That's
for...
what I'm doing now. Today, whole half a day I did.
he says his father was proud to be the
Tomorrow also
subject
maybe
of
half a day.
documentary where he
And
talked
not
about
only
his
that,
dad.
there has made mistakes. I'm finding.
You need some assistance, right? Assistant, right? No. Or in your timing you...
Still I had
My
to check,
Lady
right?
was
Yeah.
performed at the Ebony Roots
After
concert earlier this month in
assistant
Vancouver.
that I had to check.
Co-founder of the concert series,
Yeah.
Now
actor,
today
singer,
Clara has given one person 2 cents. I just asked Kalpana, is it possible? You are giving 2 cents?
Oh.
Kalpana said no, she is typing
Her
error.
son says
Oh,
he's
okay,
very
okay.
proud to get fresh play.
His music is great.
Another person is not a easy,
Ah.
but she has Clara has given all the benefits, all 4 types of funds. I just know this person is.
Yvette Brent,
Oh.
CBC
I can
News.
remember by my mind.
Okay.
I'm not supposed to know that.
Yeah.
How can I remember each
Finally
person's
tonight, a bad day on the
stipend.
job for
designation?
a
But this
former police
person was
officer in
giving
Florida.
hard time
What you're about to hear
one
is
time
audio
Okay.
when she
of
became.
Deputy Jesse Hernandez
Farid
of the
gives some
Okaloosa
kind of
County Sheriff's Office.
promotions
He
called
was walking beside his
directors
vehicle. It sounds
EC.
like he's in a
Okay.
life-threatening
Directors. That
situation,
means they
but
are not
exactly.
qualified,
Oh, okay.
but their rates are higher.
Okay.
But those people can't get other
The body
government
cam
funds
captured him
because they are
rolling
not
to the ground
easy.
and firing
Yeah, that's
his
correct.
weapon.
Clara made
But
a
upon
mistake,
closer
gave one
inspection,
person
it also
everything.
captured
Okay.
something else. A tiny
So if I
victim
don't
of
check,
poverty.
somebody, even
It was
assistant
an
will enter.
acorn
Ah.
falling
Clara
from a
is
tree
there,
above the vehicle.
given the figure,
It made
you
a cracking
enter
sound when it
and
hit the
it
roof.
will be paid
It was
forever.
enough to prompt
That's correct.
Nobody
Hernandez to
is
hit
going
the
to check.
pavement.
Yeah, got
Nobody
it.
is going to check what I am doing now.
Mm-hmm.
Kalpana has
No,
no
he
time to
wasn't.
check.
He
Yeah.
did fire at the unarmed
They all
suspect who
depend-
was already sitting
depend
handcuffed
on
in
my
the cruiser when the
accuracy.
acorn
Mhm.
attacked.
I have to be very
He's
careful.
okay. The officer is out of a job. This has been Your World Tonight for Thursday, February 15th. I'm Susan Bonner. Have a good evening.
These roads are not done yet. Lawrence and all, they are done right.
This removing people all day praying, right? Snow come.
Very high pay.
Eh?
Very high pay.
Very high pay.
Yeah, very $100 an hour.
Really?
Very high pay.
This one requires skill, right?
Yeah, these people have to come at the wrong time, maybe 4 o'clock in the morning. When it is rain, we have to come at 4 o'clock in the morning.
The car took off, but eventually hit
Before
a pole.
the
and 2
morning,
men were arrested. The charges
commute.
include assault with a weapon and discharge of a
clear the
firearm
roads,
with the intent